Okay, students, this is video 2, and this is the units of production for depreciation. The same facts as straight line method. The machine costs $10,000. The life is 50,000 miles instead of 3 years, and the residual value is $1,000. So in this case, the formula is cost minus residual value divided by the estimated life, in this case in miles. So this is $10,000 minus 1,000 divided by 50,000 miles. So our cost is going to be 18 cents per mile. Now this is a 3-year we know that it's a 3-year asset, so I'm going to tell you how many miles the car drove each year. So in year 1, let's say the car drove 7,500 miles. In year 2, the car drove 22,500 miles. And then for the last one, the car drove 20,000 miles. So we have to figure out the depreciation for each year using the 18 cents cost. So for year 1, we would take 7,500 miles times 18 cents. For year 2, times 18 cents. And for year 3, times 18 cents. And we would multiply that out and figure out the depreciation for each year. So 7,500 times 0.18 would be $13.50. For year 2, 22,500 times 18 cents would be $4,050. And then the last one, 20,000 times 18 cents would be 36,000. And so we would have year 1, 13,500, year 2, 4,050, and year 3, 3,600. Total depreciation, once again, should be our depreciable cost, which is 9,000. So when we add up 3,600, 450, and 1,350, we get 9,000, the same as we had for straight line. The journal entry again is depreciation expense for 1,350, and then we credit accumulated depreciation for 1,350. Once again, the accumulated depreciation account accumulates the depreciation each year. So in year 1, we put 1,350 in, and that's for year 1. In year 2, we put 4,050, and that's for year 2. So the accumulated depreciation would have a balance of $54,000. And then in year 3, we put in 3,600. And at the end of the 3 years, it's $9,000. Once again, each year you can get the book value, and the book value is, once again, is cost minus accumulated depreciation. So for year 1, the book value would be cost, which is 10,000. Accumulated depreciation is 13,500. And this is for year 1. So we would have 10,000 minus 1,350, and that would be 8650. And that would be the book value of the asset. Okay? I hope that helps with the exercises. We have one more to do, and that is going to be on units of production.